So far, we have seen how FREyA tries to map certain question terms such as WH phrases, nouns, or adjectives into certain ontology concepts, in cases when the lexicalizations of those do not exist in the ontology. Another problem, equally if not more important when trying to map a natural language query into a SPARQL, is ambiguity. Here we talk about ambiguity as a consequence of the redundant or duplicate ontology concepts due to same names used to refer to the semantically different concepts. However, ambiguity exists even in the manually crafted ontologies, for example, for the objects that have the same name. For instance, New York is used to refer to both state and the city. Hence, if we ask what is the population of New York, we first need to disambiguate New York and say whether we refer to the state or city. If we select state, the next dialog is modeled, asking us to resolve population. We can select state population, and the answer will be shown. This question demonstrates how the learning algorithm, in this case, cannot help us much for future similar questions, as we cannot predict how many people would want to know about New York State as opposed to New York City. However, what we can learn from this example is that we can automatically map population to city population whenever it appears in the context of city, whereas it should be automatically mapped to state population whenever it appears with a state. Let's now reformulate our question into a more explicit one. If we ask what is the population of New York City, we will see that city population is ranked as the first option. This means that the system automatically disambiguated New York and disregarded that New York in this case refers to state. Therefore, it generated suggestions by considering that New York indeed refers to city. We can select city population and we will get the correct answer. If we now ask this same question in the automatic mode, we will see the same answer. At this point, you might think, well, this system might be a bit annoying if it continues to ask me so many questions, instead of answering mine. The idea behind FREyA is to remember the user's selections, so if we ask the same or similar question again, the system can generate the correct answer automatically. The more effective the ranking that is used for the suggestions, the less cognitive overhead for the user. Indeed, the idea is to be able to validate and, if necessary, correct any kind of automatic ranking by using the interactive features of FREyA.